Picture the year 1953. In the bustling hub of the General Motors Motorama, a concept car makes its debut. This is no ordinary car though, this is the Corvette, and it is set to become the first mass-produced American sports car. Constructed with a fiberglass body, a departure from the steel bodies of its contemporaries, the Corvette's design was inspired by the European sports cars of the time. With its open-top two-seater roadster configuration, it was a sight to behold. Under the hood, a blue flame inline six-cylinder engine churned out 150 horsepower, coupled with a two-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. However, the Corvette didn't exactly fly out of the showrooms. The 1953 production was limited to 300 units, all painted in polo white with a red interior. The exclusivity and high pricing led to a slow start in sales, but the Corvette wasn't a car to sit idle. In 1955, a V8 engine was introduced, giving the car a much-needed boost in power and performance. By 1957, the Corvette had a fuel-injected V8 engine under its hood, further solidifying its performance reputation. The design of the Corvette evolved as well. The characteristic toothed grille in the front, one of the most distinctive elements of the first-generation Corvette, evolved into a more integrated look over the years. Interestingly, the first-generation Corvette was only available as a convertible. No coupe or hardtop options were offered. As the Corvette's performance credentials grew, so did its reputation in motorsports. Notably, it had significant successes in races like the 24 Hours of Le Mans during the C1 era. The final model year of the C1 was 1962. The first-generation Corvette had laid a solid foundation for future generations and set the stage for the Corvette's evolution into a high-performance sports car. In conclusion, the C1 Corvette holds a special place in automotive history. The first in a legendary series, its design, fiberglass construction, and performance aspirations have shaped the Corvettes that followed. Even today, the legacy of the C1 Corvette continues to influence the evolution of this iconic American sports car.